I exercise a little bit, you know, baby. You know, baby. Inside. Say something for me, though. Mighty God. But I'm gonna go to some jogs. Hey, nobody spread the news about me. I breed. Come on, I breed my man there. Jamaica wait for me. Excuse sometimes, isn't it? You must be straight, hon. You ever I the best fuck. My best fuck. I will always be. Thank you. Jealous? You jealous? Huh? Man, this blood clot exercise thing enough for me. So happy for you. People may not breathe, now listen to me, I lie, me I tell it's all lies. It's all. Why? God. No, man. I mean, I think this can work out for me. Why? Phone keep on a drop. Why the phone not stop fucking slide? I want your big pussy. I got 10. I got 10. I try to reach 10. Isn't it? Each time I drop, me start over. I feel like I still push up, go. Yo! No, man. Yo! I tell you, I think this did easy. Really. I think this did easy. Until I try it now, I know the people that I do in a gym. I think this fireball. Blood. One time I used to climb 10 push-up. 5, and this is I can't even go 2. But my ass clot. No, man. Skin out the pussy for me, girl. Skin out the pussy, girl. Shake it up in me, girl. The pussy for me, girl. Why? That's it for today. Tomorrow, we'll do some look more thing tomorrow, but no. I need one partner for help me. I can't do it by myself. It now go work out my television. Now go work out my tell straight up. I'm try but it now work. Remember one time I used to do exercise at school. My exercise so till them have to put me in a cold water like one bucket with big ice in it, ice water.